Hi, I am Gun. I am pursuing MTech Power Electronics in Gokaraja Rangaraj Institute of Engineering and Technology. Now I am going to demonstrate my project. My project title is the design of front-end boost converter for the solar power inverter. This is my project kit. Primarily from the solar panel, I am getting the 12 volts DC voltage. This 12 volts is step up to the 30 volts by using boost converter circuit. This is the design of boost converter. Is done by the PCB. The main aspect of the project is the design of boost converter. This is the total design of the entire boost converter circuit. Here for the 12 volts DC I am using the bridge circuit, that is from the available 230 volts AC supply it is stepped down to the 15 volts AC by the step down transformer. Then after by using this 15 volts is converted to the 12 volts DC by the bridge circuit. Here the capacitor is for the reducing the ripples at the output voltage. The design consists of power circuit, startup circuit, feedback circuit and IC control circuit. The input range is given to the power circuit is 8 to 12 volts. This circuit consists of fuse rating 2 amperes to protect the entire circuit, and this power circuit consists of inductor, MOSFET, diode and capacitor. After that the pulses are given to the MOSFET from the IC named TL494 IC. It has 16 pins. The supply 15 volts is given to the IC. Then the startup circuit provides the dead time control to the 4th pin of the IC. The diode is used here to avoid reverse voltage. The input voltage maintained across the capacitor and this voltage given to the potential divider circuit is provides the dead time control. The minimum on time is decided by the dead time control. The feedback circuit mainly consists the voltage divider circuit and also compensator that provides the controlled and constant output voltage although input is varied. The output of compensator is connected to the pin 3 of the IC. The feedback circuit filters the harmonics and gives the controlled output voltage. The feedback circuit consists of the error amplifier. Some reference voltage 2.5 volts it's compared with the ramp voltage. The inbuilt PWM comparator which is connected to the base of the B2, and these pulses taken from the pin number 11 in the IC and pin number 13 is grounded. Then the pulses can observe from the CRO. Finally, we can check the output voltage across the resistor. This is my output voltage obtained 28.3 volts. It is also observed in the CRO.